Chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day, simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
And a good, what is it, afternoon? Yeah, we are just running away from the kids. No, we're running out to go do some errands. Because last night when we got in, we weren't able to do what we needed to get done. It was too late and the store's locked on us. So we are heading out now. Oh gosh, where's her parent? Really? And them see a car? Oh, them people are disgusting, you see? Look a baby right at the door thing and them not even get up to come to take out the kitchen. I see my feet a blare down and something would have happened. But anyways, I hope you guys are having a great weekend. I am in need of a vacation. Right, babes?
No.
What? What do you mean no? Of course. I need a vacation. Listen here. It's summer and it doesn't feel like summer to me because...
That's summer?
I don't know. But hubby feels the same way too. He doesn't feel like it's summer either because he's just been working. Working. They got him working like a dog. Well, I guess that dog doesn't work, but whatever. Eh? How you know the dog no work? Well, the only type of work dog do a jump on tail. Eh? Dog don't jump on tail. That is how it goes. Oh, them a dog are lazy up here. These dogs compared to dogs back home. Look at that, that's a continue. These dogs up here are prestige. All they want to do is lay up in a bed and watch TV like them are somebody. And get carrying a purse. And prompt. Well, they call it prompt back home, but you know, strollers. Carrying a stroller. Some of these dogs up here, they get more luxury life than the kids them. Sometimes you see the kids them dirty and the dogs them nice, white and pretty. While the kids them look like, you don't even know them look what's on the dog. How the dog them would have looked like if they rolled around in the mud. So the dogs them up here, them living well prestige life. But anyways, guys, yeah, we're just out running some errands, and yeah, I don't know what we're up to today. I guess we'll see what the day has in store for us. So we will be back. No, the day's not finished. Our day not finished. Remember, you know, our days are longer and our nights are shorter. So our days don't finish till about 10 o'clock after the sunset goes down. In a day, when Mario said the people them sore. Okay, we're gonna sit down here. Oh, it's cold. So, having a, what is this, a vanilla creamy chill, never from Tim Hortons. Never had one of these. Oh, babe. You really bring me down here this cold island. Really look where you choose to come. No, you didn't have to come down here, so it's just disgusting. Do you need orange juice? No? For bike. Ursa has outgrown hers, so we gotta get her a new one because her knees are touching the top. So we are shopping for her to get one. I know she probably like rather want one of these. Got our baby alive. How's that one? There's a couple other ones, but they're high up. One love play. I couldn't even finish vlogging the store because he's in there giving beer talking. People them almost kick him out of the store as usual. Guys ever in there giving talking? So, one stop. Whoa. Guys, so I am back home and your girl is obviously cooking as usual. So I got my dinner on the stove going, and yeah, the kids them are gone for a bike ride. Hubby's downstairs in the garage doing something to do with the car. I think he's cleaning it. So that is what he's doing. So I am just here cooking, and yeah, that is what your girl is up to. So Arissa got her bike, so she's happy about her new bike, so she decided that she's going for a bike ride. So all of them have new bikes now. So I'm the only one that doesn't have one, but that's all right. I don't need one. I don't need one. I still have the old one. I can still rally with that. I don't need nothing extravagant. Heck, I don't even have time to go ride no bike right now anyways. So I'm just currently getting some stuff out of the fridge so I can finish season up. Oh, I love these little cheese. These baby back cheese. It tastes so good. So I'm just getting some of what is it, my seasoning out of the fridge so I could season up. I was telling hubby, I was like, you know, a long time I haven't tasted your hand. But you know, when I tell him that, they give me his hand actually to taste. So I can't tell when the last time he's actually cooked dinner. That's the thing, you know, when a man so used to you cooking dinner, then he don't want to cook at all. But I love when he cooks. He's such a good cook. He's such a good cook. I wish he would cook more often. But that's all right. That's all right. I hope you guys are enjoying your day. I certainly am. I'm just relaxing. Just going over some plans and stuff, some stuff that we have to get done. Writing out some stuff in my notebooks because we have so much stuff that we still got to get done pertaining to certain things. I don't know if I'm going to release all that info yet, but maybe I'll let you guys in on what's going on. But as for now, yeah, we're just putting certain things in stone and just see how things go, and then yeah, taking it from there. Oh my. But man, I'm still so upset about all those vlogs I lost. I can't believe it. I need to buy something that I have more memory. So that's something that I am definitely going to work on, so I could have definitely more memory. So I don't have to constantly be deleting, because every time I try to upload a video, it's my laptop's always constantly telling me that my memory is full. So then I go in and I delete all these stuff, and then that's what caused the problem. But I hope you guys are all having a great day. Let me just get this stuff together. The food smells delicious, and the weather is actually nice out, and I got a nice breeze coming in. So yeah, I just got a few, maybe 1 or 2 assignments that I gotta work on. Your girl has, after this week, 4 more weeks left, and then I am off for a little bit for school, which is not that long, 2 weeks, but that's okay. I'll take it, even though half my summer is pretty much done. But you know, you just gotta do what you gotta do and just keep hustling. And to those who feel like they can't, trust me, self-motivation is the best thing. And if you tell yourself you can't do something, you definitely won't be able to do it. So always keep motivating yourself and tell yourself that you can, and just strive. You know, even you fail, you get up, you try again, you continue trying, because at the end of the day, the only person that can say that you failed is you, and you failing yourself. So I always say, no matter what you're doing, just keep pushing through it. We are all gonna go through rough times, but it's what you do and how well you do your craft or learn your craft, you will end up coming out on top. So the only one that can basically hinder yourself is you. So just a little quick speech for you guys. But yeah, I'll be back in a bit, you know, and yeah, I'll let you guys see what's up with the food. We can sit down and eat dinner in the living room today while we watch Dumbo. So that is what we're doing. Only a few of us is eating, because the other ones are not ready. Sorry, I did not come back and show you guys the finished product of today's dinner, but that is what we're about to do. We're about to eat. So Yeah, we decided we're just having a sit down, eating in the living room and watching a movie. So that is what we're planning.
So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. You pick it with the shoes by your feet. Now pick and